Ilocos Region or Region 1 is a part of the Luzon Island Group. It is composed of 4 provinces. The regional center is the city of San Fernando. There are 9 cities, 116 municipalities, and 3,267 barangays. Ilocos Region, officially designated as Region 1, is an administrative region in the Philippines occupying the northwestern section of Luzon. It covers 4 provinces, namely Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, La Union, and Pangasinan. The regional center is the city of San Fernando. Ilocos Region is bordered clockwise from the northeast by the Cagayan Valley, Cordillera Administrative Region, Central Luzon, and the South China Sea. The following are the 4 provinces comprising Region 1 or Ilocos Region. For Ilocos Norte, the provincial center or the provincial capital is Laoag City. It is composed of 2 cities, 21 municipalities, and 559 barangays. For the province of Ilocos Sur, the provincial center or the provincial capital is Vigan City. It is composed of 2 cities, 32 municipalities, and 768 barangays. For the province of La Union, the provincial center or the provincial capital is San Fernando City. It is composed of 1 city, 19 municipalities, and 576 barangays. For the province of Pangasinan, the provincial center or the provincial capital is Lingayen. It is composed of 4 cities, 44 municipalities, and 1,364 barangays. Once again, for Ilocos Region or Region 1, there are 4 provinces, 9 cities, 116 municipalities, and 3,267 barangays. And the regional center is San Fernando City. And that is all about some things that you need to know about Ilocos Region or Region 1. The province of Ilocos Norte is a part of the Luzon Island Group in Ilocos Region or Region 1. The regional center is Laoag City. It is composed of 2 cities, 21 municipalities, and 559 barangays. Ilocos Norte is a province in the Philippines situated in the Ilocos Region, occupying the northwestern section of Luzon. Ilocos Norte is bordered clockwise from the northeast by Cagayan, Apayao, Abra, Ilocos Sur, and the South China Sea. The following are the different cities and municipalities comprising Ilocos Norte. We have the municipality of Adams comprising 1 barangay, municipality of Bacara comprising 43 barangays, the municipality of Badok, which is composed of 31 barangays, the municipality of Bangue, composed of 14 barangays, municipality of Bana, comprising 20 barangays, the city of Batak, comprising 43 barangays, the municipality of Burgos, comprising 11 barangays, the municipality of Carasi, comprising 3 barangays, the municipality of Corimao, comprising 23 barangays, the municipality of Dingras, composed of 31 barangays, the municipality of Dumalneg, composed of 4 barangays, the city of Laoag, which also serves as the capital, the provincial capital or the provincial center, which has 80 barangays, the municipality of Marcos, which has 13 barangays, the municipality of Nueva Eira, which is composed of 11 barangays, the municipality of Pagudpod, comprising 16 barangays, the Municipality of Paway, which has 31 barangays, the Municipality of Pasukin, composed of 33 barangays, the Municipality of Pidig, comprising 23 barangays, the Municipality of Pinili, comprising 25 barangays, the Municipality of San Nicolas, composed of 24 barangays, the Municipality of Sarat, comprising 24 barangays, the Municipality of Solsona, comprising 22 barangays, and lastly, the Municipality of Vintar, comprising 33 barangays. So for the province of Ilocos Norte, there are about 559 barangays and 21 municipalities and also the 2 cities. And that is all the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Ilocos Norte. The province of Ilocos Sur is a part of the Luzon Island Group in Ilocos Region or Region 1. The provincial center or the provincial capital is the city of Vigan. There are 2 cities, 32 municipalities, and 768 barangays. Ilocos Sur is bordered clockwise from the north by Ilocos Norte, Abra, Mountain Province, Benguet, La Union, and the South China Sea. The following are the 32 municipalities and 2 cities comprising Ilocos Sur. The municipality of Alilim, composed of 9 barangays, the municipality of Banayoyo, composed of 14 barangays, the municipality of Bantay, which has 34 barangays, the municipality of Burgos, comprising 26 barangays, the municipality of Cabugao, which has 33 barangays, the city of Candon, which has 42 barangays, the municipality of Cauayan, which has 17 barangays, the municipality of Cervantes, which has 13 barangays, the municipality of Halimuyod, which has 24 barangays, the municipality of Gregorio del Pilar, which has 7 barangays, the municipality of Lidlida, which has 11 barangays, the municipality of Magsingal, which has 30 barangays, the municipality of Nagbukel, which has 12 barangays, the municipality of Narvacan, which has 34 barangays, the municipality of Quirino, which has 9 barangays, the municipality of Salcedo, composed of 21 barangays, the municipality of San Emilio, which has 8 barangays, the municipality of San Esteban, which has 10 barangays, the municipality of San Ildefonso, which has 15 barangays, the municipality of San Juan, which has 32 barangays, the municipality of San Vicente with 7 barangays, the municipality of Santa, which has 26 barangays, the municipality of Santa Catalina with 9 barangays, the municipality of Santa Cruz with 49 barangays, the municipality of Santa Lucia with 36 barangays, the municipality of Santa Maria, which has 33 barangays, the municipality of Santiago, which has 24 barangays, the municipality of San Domingo, which has 36 barangays, the municipality of Sigay with 7 barangays, the municipality of Sinait with 44 barangays, the municipality of Sogpon, which has 6 barangays, the municipality of Suyo, composed of 8 barangays, the municipality of Tagudin, which has 43 barangays, and the city of Vigan, which is the provincial center or the provincial capital with 39 barangays. All in all, there are 768 barangays, 32 municipalities and 2 cities in the province of Ilocos Sur. And that is all the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Ilocos Sur. La Union is a province in the Philippines situated in the Ilocos region or Region 1, occupying the northwestern section of Luzon. The provincial center or the provincial capital is the city of San Fernando. There are 19 municipalities, 1 city, and a total of 576 barangays. La Union is bordered clockwise from the north by Ilocos Sur, Benguet, Pangasinan, South China Sea, and the Lingayen Gulf. The following are the 19 municipalities and 1 city comprising the province of La Union. We have the municipality of Agoo, which is composed of 49 barangays, the municipality of Aringay, which is composed of 24 barangays, the municipality of Bacnotan, which has 47 barangays, the municipality of Bagulin, which has 10 barangays, the municipality of Balawan, which has 36 barangays, the municipality of Bangar, which has 33 barangays, the municipality of Bawang, which has 39 barangays, the municipality of Burgos, which has 12 barangays, the municipality of Caba, comprising 17 barangays, the municipality of Luna, which has 40 barangays, the municipality of Nagilian, which has 37 barangays, the municipality of Pugo, which has 14 barangays, the municipality of Rosario, composed of 33 barangays, and the city of San Fernando, which serves as the capital, the provincial capital, and at the same time the regional center, has 59 barangays. The municipality of San Gabriel, which has 15 barangays, the municipality of San Juan with 41 barangays, the municipality of Santo Tomas with 24 barangays, the municipality of Santol with 11 barangays, the municipality of Sudipin with 17 barangays, and the municipality of Tubao with 18 barangays. So once again, for the province of La Union, there are 19 municipalities, 1 city, and a total of 576 barangays. And that is all about the different municipalities and city comprising the province of La Union. Pangasinan is a province in the Philippines situated in the Ilocos region or Region 1, occupying the northwestern section of Luzon. Its capital is the municipality of Lingayen. It is composed of 4 cities, 44 municipalities, and 1,364 barangays. Pangasinan is bordered clockwise from the north by the Lingayen Gulf, La Union, Benguet, Nueva Vizcaya, Nueva Ecija, Tarlac, Zambales, and the South China Sea. The following are the 44 municipalities and 4 cities comprising the province of Pangasinan. We have the municipality of Agno, which has 17 barangays, the municipality of Aguilar with 16 barangays, the city of Alaminos with 39 barangays, the municipality of Alcala with 21 barangays, the municipality of Anda with 18 barangays, the municipality of Asingan with 21 barangays, the municipality of Balungaw with 20 barangays, the municipality of Bani with 27 barangays, the municipality of Basista with 13 barangays, the municipality of Bautista with 18 barangays, the Municipality of Bayambang with 77 barangays, the Municipality of Binalonan with 24 barangays, the Municipality of Binmalay with 33 barangays, the Municipality of Bolinao with 30 barangays, the Municipality of Bugalion with 24 barangays, the Municipality of Burgos with 14 barangays, the Municipality of 𝗪𝗢𝗪𝗓 with 24 barangays, the City of 𝗪𝗓𝗓𝗔𝗕 with 31 barangays, the Municipality of 𝗪𝗓𝗏 with 18 barangays, the Municipality of Infanta with 13 barangays, the Municipality of Labrador with 10 barangays, the Municipality of Lawak with 22 barangays, the Municipality of Lingayen, which also serves as the provincial capital or the provincial center with 32 barangays, the Municipality of Mabini with 16 barangays, the Municipality of Malasiki with 73 barangays, the Municipality of Manawag with 26 barangays, the Municipality of Mangaldan with 30 barangays, the Municipality of Mangatarem with 82 barangays, the Municipality of Mapandan with 15 barangays, the Municipality of Natividad with 18 barangays, the Municipality of Puzo Rubio with 34 barangays, the Municipality of Rosales with 37 barangays, the City of San Carlos with 86 barangays, the Municipality of San Fabian with 34 barangays, the Municipality of San Jacinto with 19 barangays, the Municipality of San Manuel with 14 barangays, the Municipality of San Nicolas with 33 barangays, the Municipality of San Quintin with 21 barangays, the Municipality of Santa Barbara with 29 barangays, the Municipality of Santa Maria with 23 barangays, the Municipality of Santo Tomas with 10 barangays, the Municipality of Sison with 28 barangays, the Municipality of Sual with 19 barangays, the Municipality of Tayog with 21 barangays, the Municipality of Omingan with 58 barangays, the Municipality of Orbistondo with 21 barangays, the City of Urdaneta with 34 barangays, and the Municipality of Villasis with 21 barangays. And that is all about the 4 cities, 44 municipalities, and 1,364 barangays in the province of Pangasinan. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.